choices today. He's taken 2 softs and 3 mediums, whereas the majority of them have gone on 5 softs for Tanak. Nerville's gone for 3 softs. So it's the running order is important. Ogier's got a good place on the running order at the moment. So he's gone fastest, 2.9 seconds ahead of Hayden Patten. Now Hayden Patten has taken 5 mediums. I'm just wondering whether Ogier has actually put those medium tyres on the front, and they're actually working better than anybody else, because Ogier and Patten were very early in the running order, and I think, as you can see in front of you on the Sweetlamb part of the Happen stage, it's very muddy. And I think after the first couple of cars, it starts getting worse. And here he is.
Andreas Bickleson into view, down towards the chicane. Sets the car up, flicks it through that little right-left sequence, down the bottom of the hill. And Andreas Bickleson, being the pioneer in all of this, he's the first on the road, finding out where the grip is. He's a little bit sideways as he comes across the bridge. Then you've got the jumps, you've got the hairpins to come as well, and then that long climb up the hill. Andreas Bickleson means business, coming out with the top in one.
Across the top of the mountain, dive out of the sight for about 2-3 minutes before they come back to that hairpin again and turn back right into the trees. Can you know how high it's dry, can't you? Another jump there. So you've got that brain to drive a rally car.
Mads Osberg comes into view, double Norwegian champion. He was suffering, like many of them, with understeer yesterday, had new suspension settings serviced, but was still complaining of suspension problems on stage 9 yesterday. 8th overnight, Mads Osberg in the Citroen.
Describe the handling as more like a boat.
So he comes towards the hairpin, over the jump. Flips the car through the hairpin, now grounded out the other side, and now across the top of the ridge.
And we've got another sort of 8 miles to go after you see the second time, so we've got quite a long time before we can give you any times on this stage, I'm afraid.
And the Hyundai now blasting its way down the hill, heading towards the little bridge after the chicane. Hayden Patten with Sam Marshall sitting alongside him, third in Turkey, but complaining yesterday the car has no feeling whatsoever, so the grip level and how the cars have been behaving has been the real talking point for the WRC drivers all weekend, hasn't it?
Yeah, and it's an individual choice of how they want to set these cars up. Every driver is different.
So Bickleson, yes, he's the pioneer, but no
today, sometime over he is.
So Craig Breen then in the Citroen, 6th overnight. Scott Martin sitting alongside him. He's been a British champion, an Irish Fiesta champion, international Fiesta champion, part of the WRC Academy. And yesterday on slippery surfaces, he got better and better and better as the day went on. Can he, at the end of the event, uphold Citroen's honour? Lots of out into the jump there. Power on, smooth, never put on this rocky record. Absolutely.
You know, I don't know. It's just a guess. It's either stay with us, less interesting, or we've got 8 Pat going one way out. Craig going the other. He's a contract with Dayinsure that he wants to win the World Championship with them slots. He'd love to go out winning the World Championship for export and do it back to back. Funny feeling in export. Right, so way behind the man was going to leave at the end of the season. But Sebastian Ogier has nothing really to prove. He's going to be a DTM racer this season as well, and comes over the jump down into the bowl. Let's see how this relative. Very different looking Toyota Yaris, aren't they? But boy, has Tommy Mackinnon's boys put this car together, and they're tweaking it bit by bit over an 18-month period to get a brand spanking new car into what they've just won 4 World Championship rallies. It's quite astonishing. Some of the yesterday, he slithered off on a junction on stage. Started yesterday, he comes down to the chicane, but Lafler again needs to dig deep here. We've got Mick Antler sitting alongside, who we discovered on Thursday has now done more WRC events than any driver or co-driver in the category's history. Third overnight is Gary Massey, still a hugely popular driver, and really throws it over. At the moment by the likes of Ogier and Tanak, and yes, okay, he wants the point, he needs to score well on the event, but yesterday he was complaining about understeer. He did a damper and spring change, that did improve the handling. Has it been enough on what are very slippery roads today to get him into the mix against Tanak? But he is a class act. Jump, gets himself over the little bridge, and Tanak then in the Toyota Yaris, the rally leader overnight. Let's see how spectacular he is as he comes over the jump. The answer is very. That pendulum ground, way up the hill.
Portugal, and the Misfar yesterday playing in his car, having to be retired from the event. But with so much support, everybody, Elvin Evans is still in the event. Dan Barrett sitting alongside him. The heroes of last year back in action. It's going to be a different result this season, but the pace should still be there over today and tomorrow as Elvin Evans then dives down the hairpin. Mighty on this event. Robin Farah has only been beaten on the stage once on this event.
And at one stage he was something like 18 seconds quicker than the nearest competitor, and then he started to do that. Just no doubt about that.
And it's quick and it's controlled and it's smooth and it's very, very rapid. Radical.
Yeah, I know we've got a lot of rally fans who know what we're talking about, but for those spectators that don't know the categories, that is a four-wheel drive Skoda. The way to see the difference is have a look at the rear spoiler. The rear spoiler on the WRC2 cars are very small compared to what the cars you've just seen in the WRC1 category, the World Championship category. And then
Teraz.
żadnych prac do tego nie.